Welcome friends. I am Mr. Harshal Varade, Assistant Professor from Sanjini College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Today we will learn one new topic, cause and effect diagrams. We know that cause and effect diagrams, these are the part of basic 7 quality tools. We know that an understanding of basic problem solving and continuous improvements and techniques is critical for a quality inspector to be effective and to function within the larger quality community. It has been said many times that as much as 85% of the problems encountered in the production or service delivery operations can be resolved with these basic tools and techniques. So today we will learn one new technique, that is cause and effect diagrams. So the basic aim of cause and effect diagram is to investigate the root causes for the problems which occur there in production or say services. So understand the root causes of a problem before you put a solution into a place. So this is what is the use of a cause and effect diagram. Now here, the most useful tool for identifying the causes of the problems is a cause and effect diagram. This tool was developed by Dr. Ishikawa in Japan, and hence it is also known as Ishikawa diagram or fishbone diagram. A cause and effect diagram is simply a graphical representation of an outline that presents a chain of causes and the effects. So see the figure on the right hand side. I have shown the figure of cause and effect diagrams. An example is shown in this figure 4.6. At the end of the horizontal line, you see the horizontal line, and there are some other lines which are inclined to that horizontal line. The inclined lines which are there, they are representing the causes, and the horizontal line at the end is mentioning us the problem which is addressed or which is to be addressed. At the end of horizontal line is the problem to be addressed. Each branch pointing into the main stem represents a possible cause. Branches pointing to the causes are contributors to these causes. The diagram is used to identify the most likely causes of a problem so that further data collection and analysis can be carried out. So this is what is the basic schematic representation of cause and effect diagram. We know that any process, any problem occurs due to 4 major causes. First one is the cause is associated with measurement process. So some causes may be the due to the manufacturing processes, some causes are due to materials, some causes are due to the equipments. So this leads to the occurrence or any defect in these 4 features leads to the occurrence of a particular quality problem. So cause and effect diagrams are usually constructed in a brainstorming setting so that everyone can contribute their ideas. Usually small groups drawn from operations or management work with an experienced facilitator. The facilitator guides the discussion to focus attention on the problem and its causes, on facts and not on the opinions. So whatever facts, practical facts are there, so focus is on their practical facts and the problem. This method requires significant interaction among the group members. The facilitator must listen carefully to the participants and capture the important ideas. So applications of cause and effect diagram. So why are cause and effect diagrams helpful? So basic aim is identify many different possible causes for a problem. This is one of the basic application. Second one is see the relationships between many causes. Number of causes are there for a problem to occur. So what is the relationship between the occurrence of these problems or causes? Helps to determine which data to collect. So important data is to be collected for helping for collecting this data, cause and effect diagrams are going to help. So this is also one structure which I have shown here for the cause and effect diagrams or fishbone diagram or Ishikawa diagrams. We know that at the end of the horizontal line there is a problem which is occurring, and this problem occurs due to, already I have explained you, materials, some defects in materials, defects in manufacturing methods, defects in machines, defects in measurements, defects in environment means environmental errors, and people means defect due to human error or people. So this is one example. One example here, a problem is makes customer wait. There is one system, there is one process where the customer is waiting. See here. So why customer waits? So there are different reasons. First one is absent receiving party. So no receiving party is there for attending the customer. Second one is working system of operators. So working system of operator is may pose a problem. So this can be a major cause. Then customer is one cause, major cause, and operator, this is also one major cause. How? Let us see here. See, absent at a receiving party, it may be absent or out of the office or not at the desk. So this can be the reason. So the customer has to wait. Second is working system of operators. Too many phone calls are there, lunch time is there, or operator itself is absent there. So this can be the reason why customer has to wait. Then next, customers, at the customer end there are also some causes. Not giving receiving parties coordinates, lengthy talk, complaining, leaving a message. So when you make a phone call to the customer care office, so at that time the customer care executive who is there, he is engaged with some other customers, and the lengthy talk is there, some customers are complaining there. So this can be one reason why the other customers has to wait. And next one is operator. Now this operator who is there, telephone operator who is there, he or she does not understand the customer. This can be one reason. Does not know the organization well, might be new one, and he or she takes too much time to explain. This can also be the reason. So these are the number of causes which are possible causes which are getting identified by making use of this cause and effect diagram or fishbone diagram. So at the end, these reasons are mapped correctly, and the final reason, what is the root cause, that is found out. Why customer has to wait when customer makes a phone call at the customer care cell of any company, organization, or telephone service company or telephone service department. So here are few references which you can refer for the reading. Thank you.